Amid the escalating India-Pakistan tensions, we are quite close to the LOC right now. We are at the Uri sector, and these are the places where the villages are situated, and these villagers have been witnessing the ceasefire violation in past few days, and almost 12 days have seen this ceasefire violation. If I show you the location, this is the area where a traditional road used to go till Punch. This was 40 kilometers from here, but after partition there was redistribution of land, and then we have to now take a longer route to Punch. But this is a historical place in Jammu and Kashmir's Uri sector, where you see that this road was a traditional old road, and now this is the border area in Uri sector where people are prepared for any kind of action, as the Indian Army, the Navy and the Air Force, they all are into deliberations.
Several villages on the front line are demanding more bunkers to escape Pakistan firing.
We are in one of the border villages in Baramulla district, right close to the line of control where the ceasefire violations have been happening, and the villagers out here, they are quite disturbed. They are in fear, and these children who are staying in these villages, they say that they've been witnessing the firing from the Pakistani side. Just to give you a sense of the location, we are right now in this village, and across you can see this whole ridge area, and behind this ridge is Pakistani post. So from there, these firing, the ceasefire violations have been happening since last 12 days after the Pahalgam attack. I'll talk to a little girl who stays here. This is her home in this border village. बेटा आपका क्या नाम है?
जायदा।
जायदा, आप आजकल शाम को क्या आपको गोलियों की आवाज आती है?
जी।
कितनी देर तक रहती है?
12 बजे से बहुत टाइम तक रहती है, सुबह तक रहती है।
और पिछले कई दिनों से ऐसा हो रहा है?
जी।
तो आप लोगों को कैसा महसूस होता है उस टाइम?
बहुत डर लगता है।
डर लगता है। और बहुत देर तक ये फायरिंग चलती है?
जी।
और आपके गांव से बहुत नजदीक है, तो आवाज आप लोगों को आती है?
पूरी आवाज आती है।
अच्छा
जी।
आपके घर में पहले भी जब सीज फायर नहीं था, पहले के कुछ यहाँ पर निशान है, वो आप दिखाइएगा हमें।
अच्छा।
So there are marks of bullets that were earlier in the earlier ceasefire violations. There's one bullet that is still stuck there. And now also when Pakistan is violating ceasefire, these children, these people, these families are impacted. They stand with the government, but they want that there should be more bunkers here for them, because there are some villages that have bunkers, but there are some villages which still do not have proper bunkers.
The villagers in this region, however, await a decisive action against Pakistan by India.
As deliberations are on in the national capital, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi monitoring the situation and the preparedness of the forces, we are right now at the last border village of Srinagar, where we see that people are witnessing ceasefire violations. What my camera person Nasir is showing you is the Pakistani territory here, and this is visible from where we are standing right now in the Baramulla district's Uri sector, the last line from where the military deployments start, and this is the area that has been witnessing ceasefire violations since last 12 days. And this is the ridge line that demarcates Indian and Pakistani territory here in this area. People are saying that they want a decisive action this time. They have been fed up of the ceasefire violation because they are the sufferers, because their children are worried when this firing starts right at the night and it continues through the night. So this time, even the children here in Jammu and Kashmir, the last villages, these villagers say that whatever the forces decide, they are standing with them.
In Nogam, there have been continuous firing from Pakistan for the past several days, which is being countered by Indian forces.
इस वक्त हम मौजूद है नौगांव सेक्टर में, और ये नौगांव सेक्टर का लास्ट गांव है, और मेरे पीछे आप ये जो पहाड़ देखते हैं, ये लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल है। कहीं एरिया इसके पीछे है, और लगातार पाकिस्तान की तरफ से जो फायरिंग है वो जारी है। रात भर यहाँ पे फायरिंग कर रहे हैं पाकिस्तान, और उसके बावजूद भी हिंदुस्तान की तरफ से वापस कार्रवाई हो रही है। यहाँ हमने कई लोगों से बात की, उन्होंने साफ तौर पर वाजिया कर दिया है कि बिल्कुल हम रात भर फायरिंग सुन रहे हैं यहाँ पे और हमें दहशत का माहौल है यहाँ पे। और कहना है कि हमारे पास ऐसी कोई फैसिलिटी नहीं है जिससे कि हम अपने आप को बचाए या अपनी फैमिली को।
Residents of the troubled borders are apprehensive but hope for an all-out retaliation from India.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.